Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube mobile. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open YouTube application. You can see over here YouTube application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply open the video in which you want to stop the auto dubbing. You can see over here that particular video will be opened. So if you want to stop the auto dubbing, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options like quality, playback speed, captions, audio track, lock screen and more. Tap on the option audio track that you can see at fourth. Now you'll be able to see the audio tracks over here. If you select any of the audio track rather than the original audio, your video will be auto-dubbed to that language. So if you want to turn it off, what you have to do is select the original audio. The original audio will be at top, so simply select the original audio of this video. Now once you do that, the auto dubbing will be turned off. So like this, you'll be able to turn it off. So that is how you turn off auto dubbing on YouTube mobile. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.